It's about taking. It's about taking away everything that is in front of a person's eye, that has covered up the clear view upon how this world, how your internal nature, how your emotions, your mindset is all connected with each other. What is it that might be the key that you learn to let go of something? Because once the cup is empty, now it can be filled up again.
Morning everyone, so we've had our day off. We're just about to leave Lescun and I realised I didn't have any sun cream. I can't find my buff either and it's looking like an absolute scorcher. So yeah, I just came back to the village, but the village is miles away, like down and up a huge fucking hill. And I've got here, the shop's not open yet, but based on my understanding of French and what day it is, it's going to open in about 3 minutes. So we're going to get sun cream and we're going to get buff and we're going to go back to the place. And I've been up since 5:45 and it's taken me about, it's going to take me about 3 hours to get cracking this morning, but we do have everything ready. We've got 2 days. 2 days till our next inside, so camping tonight, and that's it anyway. Bon voyage. Oh, I just didn't record, let's do it again. What did I say? So yeah, finally left campsite, said goodbye to my campsite friends, improved Scotland's reputation internationally. We're heading up this one behind me. We've got about 10k up and then 10k on the flattish, and then we end up at a lake with a refuge, so let's see what that's all about. We've made it out the low part of the valley. We're starting to see some spiky boys now. Let's keep going, let's keep getting up. This is a nice climb up this road. Easy peasy. Allez. Having a little rest. We found a little bit of shade, so making the best use of this nice French farmer's fence. I need more water than just my 3 litre I've got over there, so I'm just walking around with this plastic bottle now, and then I'm going to secure it on the side there when it's empty. So let's go. Allez. Shady forest, ooh la la, j'adore. Getting some nice water out of these rivers, pounding up this hill. Piece of cake. We're still tanking up the hill. Started 900 meters. We're now at 1350, but we need to get up to about 1950, so it's quite a big fucking climb today. It's easy enough, but we're off road now, so we're going up the up slightly steeper trails. But I just wanted to talk about my secondary water system, which I've activated today. I've drank 7 litres coming up this hill already, so anyone that's trying to do this with 2, have a fucking word with yourself. Holy shit. Allez. It's a nice breeze. Give me some of that fucking breeze. Allez. Oh, it's really not ideal when your riverbed dries up. What the fuck? That's no fucking good. Just having a little rest. We're only 2k to National Park. We fit like a flattish area. I'm expecting some sort of big view when we get up there. I've encountered a new type of cow. We're on brown and white now. Someone was giving a dog a piggyback a second ago, but they went up there. And new flowers. Every day is new flowers, new insects, new cows. I don't know. Allez. Okay guys, it's Où est l'école? I think that sign's trying to tell us something. So this is 10 days in. We've crossed some shitty fucking stuff, it has to be said. Seen every type of rain you can imagine, and some that you definitely can't. But this is the border of the Pyrenees National Park, and we should be able to see some big fat spikies. Let's have a look. Come on. Oh, there we fucking go. It's our first glimpse of the biggies. It's breezy. Okay, let's keep going, Ali. What is that big one? There we go! We're in the park. Pyrenees National Park. In with the spiky boys. Woo! That was tricky. There we go.
I walked across an empty land. I knew the pathway like the back of my hand. I felt the earth beneath my feet. Sat by the river and it made me complete. Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? somewhere only we know.
Alright, so we've had us lunch, boursin and mackerel. That's the path now. We got about 7.5 kilometers to go today, and we head over that col there, and there's a lake, so we can tank our water and stuff. And still, I want to know what that's called there, but I've just found out. I thought we were going this way, right? I just checked all the maps and stuff, and that is east. So those big spikies in the distance, that's where we're headed, which is quite terrifying. Oh, we're not expected to climb that fucking thing there, but anyway, let's go. Allez, finally in the big stuff. Boom. Deep. Oh, standing in horse shit. No, we're right among them now. Hey. Don't run away. Oh, they thought they don't have one of those dogs. How am I supposed to get down the path for you lot? Look at them. Look at them. Oh, it's a black one. Hey. Oh, panic in the ranks. They've bolted. Look at the black one. Whoa. Come on, lads. You're on the HRP. What? This is the HRP. It's not for sheep. Aye. Oh, there he is. If we touch one of these sheep, that guy will go fucking nuts. I got chased off by another set of these. Oh, there's a pack of horses for us. Right, the dog. See how disguised the dog is? Like, I just saw it there. Yeah. He protects the flock. Probably the horses as well. Well, there we go. Hello, horse friend. What do you need? Can you bring me to the next marker, please? You like grass, yeah? Hello. You're gonna be my friend. Oh, we've made friends with a horse. Hello, horsey. Wonder if you're allowed to do this. Who cares? Be my friend. You're not gonna stab me with your hoof now. Flies on you. Sorry, I'm just trying to get the flies off. There you go. Oh, they're back. That's wrong. Okay. Hello, horsey. Uh-oh. Alright, let's boost. Coming out to another call. After our brush with death with those horses. Oh, here we go. Where are we going? Refuge d'Arlay. Oui. Allez. Okay, for our first fall. That was a bit shocking, but I just came up here and I stood here and then I stood up there on that and it just whork, and then I fell here nicely on my arm. I felt the bag try to maybe roll me down the hill, but I stopped nice enough. I landed soft on my arm. Boom. That's how you follow people, with grace, with style, in the Pyrenees. Okay, we've made it to the refuge. This is the lake. Some sheep, I guess. There it is. That looks pretty good. We could stay inside. We're staying inside tomorrow at some ski place, so there's not much point heading on. There's no point having a head start, you know. But where's the dog? Who can spot the dog first? He'll be there somewhere. Oh, there we go. Lake something. That's someone swimming in it. Fucking hell. There we go. Allez. Just found him. He's getting ready to pounce. Here we are at the refuge. We've just arrived in time for some sheep herding. I think the people here found my French hilarious. I'm not sure exactly why. We can swim in the lake. I've got a bed at the top of this massive pyramid of bunk beds. I think they put me up there for a laugh. So the white dog is like the one that hides in there, and there's always one black sheep in each flock for some reason. It's funny how it kind of behaves like a sheep, you know? Oh, there's a few black ones. This guy knows what he's doing, like 100%. I'll do it, yes.